In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma design into Flutter code. This is a nifty skill that can significantly streamline your mobile app development process, and I'm here to break it down into simple and digestible steps. First things first, you'll want to open your design in Figma. So, fire up Figma on your computer and navigate to the file that houses the design you want to convert. Once you have your file open, select the screen or frame you're looking to transform into Flutter code. This step is crucial because you need to make sure you're working on the exact screen you want to code into Flutter, so double check to ensure you've selected the right frame. Now, before diving straight into the conversion process, it's essential to ensure your design is well organized. The cleaner and more structured your file is, the smoother the conversion process will be. Take advantage of Figma's auto layout to maintain consistent spacing and alignment. Also, make sure your layers are named clearly and logically. Great organization now saves a lot of headaches later. If you have UI elements that repeat throughout your design, use components to keep things neat and tidy. Lastly, take a few moments to define your text and color styles across the design. This helps maintain consistency and makes your code more manageable. Once your design is organized, the next thing you'll need to do is copy the Figma link for the frame you wish to convert. Click on your selected frame, head to the Share button, and copy the design link. This link is what you'll use to transition from Figma to code. Now that you've got your design link handy, it's time to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Paste this link into an AI coding tool such as Claude Code with Figma MCP, Cursor, or Windsurf. These tools are designed to ease the conversion process. A good example of a prompt you might use is to instruct the tool to convert this Figma screen to Flutter, use Material 3, create reusable widgets, generate responsive code. The AI will then start working its magic. Finally, once the AI tool processes your request, it will generate the Flutter code based on your Figma design. You'll want to carefully copy this generated Flutter code. Remember, it's usually a good idea to review and test the generated code to make sure it aligns perfectly with your design intent and functions as expected in a Flutter application. And there you have it. With these steps, converting your Figma design into Flutter code can be not only achievable, but also efficient, facilitating a smoother transition from design to development. Thank you for joining today, and happy coding!